Even, even, meaning used to add emphasis or show something is surprising. Used to add emphasis or show something is surprising. She didn't even notice the time go by. She didn't even notice the time go by. Just, meaning used to soften statements or show something happened recently. Used to soften statements or show something happened recently. I'm just checking you got home safely. I'm just checking you got home safely. Like, meaning used to give examples or make speech sound natural. Used to give examples or make speech sound natural. It was like nothing I'd ever seen before. It was like nothing I'd ever seen before. Kind, meaning used to express uncertainty or politeness. Used to express uncertainty or politeness. I'm kind of tired today, to be honest. I'm kind of tired today, to be honest. Sort, meaning used to avoid sounding too direct. Used to avoid sounding too direct. We sort of agreed to try again next week. We sort of agreed to try again next week. Real, meaning used for strong emphasis in informal speech. Used for strong emphasis in informal speech. That was a real surprise. That was a real surprise. Sure, meaning shows confidence, agreement, or calm confirmation. Shows confidence, agreement, or calm confirmation. I'm sure everything will work out. I'm sure everything will work out. Else, meaning refers to alternatives or additional options. Refers to alternatives or additional options. Is there anything else you need? Is there anything else you need? Mind, meaning relates to attitudes, thoughts, or objections. Relates to attitudes, thoughts, or objections. I don't mind waiting a bit longer. I don't mind waiting a bit longer. Need, meaning expresses necessity or importance. Expresses necessity or importance. You need to see this before deciding. You need to see this before deciding. Hold, meaning means to pause, keep, or delay. Means to pause, keep, or delay. Let's hold off until we hear back. Let's hold off until we hear back. Seem, meaning shows uncertainty or perception. Shows uncertainty or perception. You seem happy with the result. You seem happy with the result. Tend, meaning describes usual behavior. Describes usual behavior. I tend to work better in the morning. I tend to work better in the morning. Stay, meaning suggests continuity or stability. Suggests continuity or stability. Try to stay calm during the meeting. Try to stay calm during the meeting. Deal. Deal, meaning refers to handling situations or agreements. Refers to handling situations or agreements. We'll deal with the issue tomorrow. We'll deal with the issue tomorrow. Plan. Plan, meaning indicates intention or preparation. Indicates intention or preparation. We plan to move later this year. We plan to move later this year. Move. Move, meaning implies progression or action. Implies progression or action. Let's move on to the next point. Let's move on to the next point. Wait. Wait, meaning suggests patience or timing. Suggests patience or timing. You'll have to wait and see. You'll have to wait and see. Keep. Keep, meaning means to continue or maintain something. Means to continue or maintain something. Keep going. You're doing well. Keep going. You're doing well. Push. Push, meaning implies effort or encouragement. Implies effort or encouragement. I push myself to finish on time. I push myself to finish on time. Pull. Pull, meaning suggests influence or attraction. Suggests influence or attraction. You pull people in quickly. You pull people in quickly. Mean. Mean, meaning explains intention or definition. Explains intention or definition. I mean it in a very clear way. I mean it in a very clear way. Calm. Calm, meaning describes emotional control. Describes emotional control. He stayed calm under pressure. He stayed calm under pressure. Fair. Fair, meaning expresses balance or justice. Expresses balance or justice. That sounds fair to me. That sounds fair to me. Late. Late, meaning relates to timing or delay. Relates to timing or delay. It's never too late to start again. It's never too late to start again. Safe. Safe, meaning suggests security or caution. Suggests security or caution. This option feels safe for everyone involved. This option feels safe for everyone involved. Risk. Risk, meaning involves uncertainty or danger. Involves uncertainty or danger. There's always some risk involved. There's always some risk involved. Wish. Wish, meaning expresses desire or regret. Expresses desire or regret. I wish I'd known sooner. I wish I'd known sooner. Hope. Hope, meaning shows positive expectation. Shows positive expectation. I hope things improve soon. I hope things improve soon. Fact, fact, meaning used to state truth clearly. Used to state truth clearly. In fact, he was right all along. In fact, he was right all along. Idea, idea, meaning refers to thoughts or suggestions. Refers to thoughts or suggestions. That's a great idea. That's a great idea. Role, role, meaning describes responsibility or position. Describes responsibility or position. She played a key role in the project. She played a key role in the project. Goal, goal, meaning refers to an objective or aim. Refers to an objective or aim. Our goal is long-term success. Our goal is long-term success. Pace, pace, meaning describes speed or progress. Describes speed or progress. Work at your own pace. Work at your own pace. Tone, tone, meaning shows attitude or mood in speech. Shows attitude or mood in speech. His tone sounded serious. His tone sounded serious. Mood, mood, meaning describes emotional state. Describes emotional state. I'm not in the mood for small talk. I'm not in the mood for small talk. Edge, edge, meaning suggests advantage or tension. Suggests advantage or tension. They have a slight edge over us. They have a slight edge over us. Gain, gain, meaning means to improve or obtain. Means to improve or obtain. You gain confidence through regular practice. You gain confidence through regular practice. Loss, loss, meaning refers to something missing or gone. Refers to something missing or gone. The loss was hard to accept. The loss was hard to accept. Rule, rule, meaning indicates authority or guidelines. Indicates authority or guidelines. That rule applies to everyone. That rule applies to everyone. Hint, hint, meaning suggests something indirectly. Suggests something indirectly. He dropped a hint about leaving. He dropped a hint about leaving. Link, link, meaning shows connection between things. Shows connection between things. There's a clear link between effort and results. There's a clear link between effort and results. Base, base, meaning means foundation or starting point. Means foundation or starting point. We base our decision on clear facts. We base our decision on clear facts. Form, form, meaning refers to structure or shape. Refers to structure or shape. The plan is starting to take form. The plan is starting to take form. Lead, lead, meaning means to guide or influence. Means to guide or influence. They lead the discussion confidently. They lead the discussion confidently. Fit, fit, means suitable or appropriate. Means suitable or appropriate. That option doesn't quite fit. That option doesn't quite fit. Yet, yet, shows contrast or unfinished action. Shows contrast or unfinished action. He hasn't replied yet. He hasn't replied yet. Bit, bit, means a small amount. Means a small amount. I'm a bit unsure about it. I'm a bit unsure about it. To, adds emphasis or excess. Adds emphasis or excess. It's too good to ignore. It's too good to ignore. Way, expresses degree or manner. Expresses degree or manner. That's way better than before. That's way better than before. Now, refers to the present moment or urgency. Refers to the present moment or urgency. Now is the right time. Now is the right time. Off, indicates distance, cancellation or stopping. Indicates distance, cancellation or stopping. The meeting is off today. The meeting is off today. End, refers to completion or final point. Refers to completion or final point. In the end, we agreed. In the end, we agreed. Try, means attempt or effort. Means attempt or effort. I try different approaches before making a decision. I try different approaches before making a decision. Act, implies taking action or behaving. Implies taking action or behaving. You need to act quickly. You need to act quickly.